Hello, we are Jose David Linares, and my partners are Lizeth Michelin Sunza, Mirle Cedillo, and Daniel Ernesto Rodriguez. We are the team Coca-Cola, and we are going to present this for you and the history of Coca-Cola and the values and the mission of the company. Well, Coca-Cola history. This starts in 1886 in a pharmacy named Jacobs in Atlanta, Georgia. Began the history of the most famous drink in the world, thanks to the famous George S. Pemberton, who worked with the formula of a medicinal principle based on syrup and natural water known as Coca-Cola Pemberton wine.
The creative pharmacy continued to change the formula, experimenting with the new flavors to improve even the qualities of the syrup. Until the same year, when on May 8, he accidentally mixed the syrup with the carbonate water and turned it up to the success. The taste was delicious and really refreshing. This was the formula of the most famous drink in the world, Coca-Cola.
Believing that the two C's would look good in advertising, Dr. Pemberton's partner and accountant, Franklin Robinson, suggested the name and brought it down by the new famous trademark, Coca-Cola with its unique calligraphy.
The vision of the company is refresh the world in body, mind, and spirit, inspire moments of optimism and happiness through our brands and action to create value and leave our mark in each of the places where we operate. Coca-Cola to become one of the largest and most important companies in the world based each of its actions on the following values: integrity, quality, responsibility, leadership, collaboration, diversity, and passion. And that's all. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day.